Gas stations in the United Kingdom are facing an acute shortage of fuel, and here is all you need to know about UK's ongoing fuel crisis. We're decoding it for you. There have been long queues and chaotic situations at gas stations in the UK recently as people have been buying fuel in panic. With mile-long queues outside petrol pumps, besides panicked citizens stocking up as much petrol as they can, even in small water bottles. So gas stations which were usually selling up to 20,000 to 30,000 litres of fuel in a day have been making sales of over 1 lakh litres of fuel per day. And there have been a lot of fights happening as people are buying fuel in panic. Now the repercussions of this fuel crisis are being felt by all. The British Medical Association has requested for a priority access to fuel, a priority pass for all its health workers so that the health system of UK does not collapse. And along with this, the British Army has also been kept on standby to handle the situation. As many as 2/3 of the 5,500 independent outlets under the Petrol Retailers Association ran out of fuel recently, and the rest may run out soon. Now the clarification has come from the major oil companies working in the UK. There is Shell, there is ExxonMobil, there is Green Energy. They've made it clear that there is no shortage of fuel in the United Kingdom. The problem, as per fuel pumps and government officials, is a lack of drivers. So basically what they're saying is that there is no lack of fuel in the UK, but there is a lack of qualified drivers who can drive heavy goods vehicles, HGVs, which bring in the fuel into UK. The country faces a shortage of more than 1 lakh truck drivers, a serious problem that has disrupted the supply of many goods and services ranging from groceries and fuel. Reduced commercial transportation has resulted in a supply crisis. So basically this fuel crisis is because of a trucker shortage which was caused because of the COVID-19 pandemic, because of which borders were closed. And what was leading to this trucker shortage was also United Kingdom's exit from the European Union. So Brexit has also been a major cause for this. Following Brexit, many European drivers left the UK to work elsewhere due to the tax changes and tightened immigration laws introduced by the UK. Then came the pandemic, which made the situation worse because a lot of truck drivers returned to their hometowns. They left UK and then the lockdowns happened and they never returned back. Now the British government has outrightly denied that there is any shortage being caused due to Brexit. They obviously put the blame on the pandemic and also surging energy prices. Now to tackle the situation, the British government has offered to allot as many as 5,000 temporary visas up till the end of 2021 to foreign lorry drivers so that they can come in and tackle the situation before it spirals out of control.